guys. Today it is May, what is it today? May 23rd. It is Thursday. I'm inserting this clip here because I want to show you my outfit. It's an outfit. The pants are something I've shown in a haul, I'm pretty sure. And then this top, I'm not sure if I've shown it, but it's from the Goodwill, but I got it at the Goodwill, but it's from Ross. The tag was still on there from Ross, and I believe the tag was like $5.99 or $6.99. But anyway, they had it for $3.99, and then it was 50% off that day. So I got a good deal on it, and I love it. It's exactly what I'm looking for in terms of just shirts to wear for belly dancing. I have it tied in the back, but this is perfect for me. This is a large, but I like the sleeves. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you the pants here in a minute. But I just want to say something as of current time, as of me right now. I want to discuss today. It is 7:45 in the evening, so a little late start. A couple of things have been happening with me. One, I had a little bit of a bug earlier on. I would say maybe like Monday, I think it was. I had a little bit of stomach bug. I attribute it to the ice. I do. I was not feeling really well, and I kept drinking water and water, and it seemed like I just wasn't getting better. I did eat, and the foods are not. It's every things that I eat every day on a daily rather, and I just kept feeling sick. So in the evening, I was just so drained from, you know, going to the bathroom, and I just kept drinking water and water. I didn't even drink Zivia. I I didn't feel feverish or anything. It's just my stomach was very upset. It was just gurgling really loud. And then finally it hit me, and I said, it's probably the ice I was using because I was drinking more, and it seemed like the more I drank, as soon as right after I would drink, I just kept feeling sick. Now I wash this every day. This I wash every day. Now I don't wash it every time I refill it, but I wash it every day. So it you know what I mean? So I finally just put two and two together, and so I just stopped having the ice, and I put cold water bottles in the refrigerator, and I just started drinking that, and slowly it started going away. I just think that's it. It's not the first time this has happened, though. This is what made me think of the ice, because it's not the first time this has happened. So anyway, that happened, but that was earlier on. I since been eating. And the other thing that happened simultaneously to that is I kinked my neck. Okay. I kinked this side of my neck. And sometimes what I do is when I'm ready to go to sleep, and I mean, I could just feel myself going to sleep, I squinch the pillow up really tight. My shoulder is up, and I'm like this, and I'm watching videos or whatever I'm watching, and I'm just ready to go out. And I went out like this for like all night pretty much, or a good part of the night. And when I released it, this whole thing was just so bad. And for like a good, I mean, even today, it still hurts. It's still achy. It's still there. It's not, I mean, now I can move my neck. I couldn't even do that. But if I move it this way, I can still feel soreness. So basically, I haven't been able to strength train either. I was going to belly dance a little bit yesterday, but you know what? I didn't want to push it. I didn't want to re-injure it. So this is the first time I'm working out basically because of incidences that happened in this past week. So I'm not going to strength train. I was going to strength train, but I'm not going to do it because it's just, I feel like the weights is just going to be more, might agitate me more here, and I don't want to re-injure it. The belly dancing, there is some moves where she's going to be doing a lot of this. I'll just omit that part, and I could just do the rest. The other thing I want to say is these past 2 days in particular, okay, I really feel lighter. I feel less inflamed. My ring is, see, it twirls. I definitely feel less inflamed. It's weird because this week of all weeks to feel this way is kind of odd. Number one, no working out, no strength training, no excessive demand of energy. Number two, my sleep has been pretty bad this week. Uh, Number three, I've been eating more carby. Now, not I'm in keto. I've been having more like jalapeno poppers, more cream cheese, more cheese with not cheese like eating as a snack, but cheese within the meal, making sauces and things like that. And I've been eating a little bit later in the evenings with my protein shake. So I don't know. It just like, of all weeks to feel so light these past 2 days is just kind of odd. I don't know. My ketones are negative, so there's that too. That's another thing. My ketones are negative. So I don't know, you guys. And you know, my belly issue, my neck issue, and all these things that can cause inflammation and stress on the body. It's, I don't know. I just wanted to make a note of that. I really feel kind of light and airy. Let me show you the pants now. Okay, let me stop yapping it up. They have like a wide waist here, but with the scarf, it's okay. You can't really see it. But yeah, very nice. So I like that I'm getting more outfits together for when I do belly dance. So I want to see if I can get more of these types of pants. I really like them. Very soft fabric, uber soft fabric, just really soft. Like, I don't know if I told you, but these are large from, I think it's Live Electric. There you go. Okay. Oh, and I do have it tied in the back. I have it tied. Yeah, because otherwise it would fit like just kind of like a regular shirt, and I kind of want it tied around here. There you go, guys. Right, and I think that's all I wanted to say. It's 7:51, so I'm going to get going. And yeah, that was all I wanted to say. Feeling really light. I can't explain it. Like I said, my rings just shh. All right. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to do an outfit. I'm not going to clip the mic onto the top because it's already too big and it's pulling. But anyway, the top is from Torrid. It is a size 1. It is around a 1X. I believe Torrid is like a 14-16, something like that. And then the Arizona, these are my pants are the Arizona size 17, and these are my absolute favorite pants. I've had them now for a good, maybe we're going on 8 years or so. Absolutely my favorite. They are a junior, so they're 17. But I'm thinking this is going to probably be close to it. Close to. Maybe not quite, but close to. So let me go ahead and show you the outfit. So here's the top. It is really big, you guys. And this is the last button, and so it really opens up a lot. The pockets are sort of just kind of sagging on me. Yeah, it is too big. The pants, I don't know if you can tell, but they are too baggy on me as well. But they're my absolute favorite. But yeah, there they are. Let me pull this up a little bit. Yeah, love these. Absolutely love these with the cargo pocket. I hope you can see that. Yeah, they really are getting a little too big. But I love these pants. I really do. Yeah, and then like I said, the top, I like them from the sleeves because they really give me a lot of room for my arms. But this is just too big, you guys. So yeah, that's going to be it for this one. At least the top for sure. The pants, because I love them so much, I might squeeze a little bit more out of them. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's my outfit, you guys. I'm surprised, those pants, I'm not going to be able to wear them anymore much longer. The Arizona size 17, which is the junior wear. The top is going to go, and I don't know. I even see a difference in my face, today and yesterday. I was like, wow. And I was calculating my weight so far. I need about a good 35 more pounds to lose to be at 145. So that's crazy. Okay, you guys, I'll let you guys go. I'm going to go belly dance because it's getting late. This is a 60-minute one. Oh, I didn't tell you. 60-minute, I've done this before. 60-minute belly dance workout. Learn while you burn, #belly dance. And it runs 56:33, but she put 60-minute on there. But it runs 56, my remote. It runs 56:33. Okay, I'm going to go work out.